Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to move bullet points to the left in Microsoft Word and fix unwanted indentation issues. Many Word users face this problem when bullet points appear too far from left margin, making lists look messy or unprofessional. This video will guide you through simple and effective methods to perfectly align your bullet points. Whether you are working on assignments, reports, resumes, or office documents, properly aligned bullet point can greatly improve readability and presentation. So let's get started. We can see here our document. At first you have to open your document. Now I am go some down and I create a bullet list. Now I am write some name. Then I select the text and increase the font size. You can apply the bold effect. Now I apply the bullet point. Click this bullet. Otherwise you can choose another bullet point. Now I am select this. Now you want to move the bullet point on the left. Go to the view menu and enable the roller. And here the indent and here the indent. You can see here you move the bullet easily. Now we can see we move bullet anywhere like the left or the right anywhere. Now we can see we move bullet point on the left in this Word document very easily. You can easily complete your project to this way. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.